Good morning. This is the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Tuesday, August 30th. On the impact map, the growing heat will be the big problem. See the areas in red near record temperatures, very low humidities both day and night. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, overspreading just about the entire area. There'll also be some winds, not critical, but 15 to 25 miles per hour in areas that we do have some existing large fire activity. Also, some very isolated lightning, not anything red flag worthy, maybe just a handful of strikes, but again, something that will have to be watched with this heat as well. We did have some lightning, over 150 strikes here across Nevada. We'll see how this plays out during the day. Most of these had very little precipitation, very spotty here on the left. New fire starts in the red. Initial fires fairly light. Recent fires in the yellow, and of course our large fires up in the north. And it has been very dry in the north and in the west. You can see the dark red here on the right-hand side, 0 to 10% of normal precipitation for the week. And it's taking a toll on our fuels. You can see the area of less than 5% 100-hour fuels, as low as it gets, expanding across western Nevada into parts of southern Idaho, and that trend will continue. An interesting note, our monsoon season, taking a look at precipitation the past 2 months, and you can see how much above normal, especially up into Nevada. Not that they had more rain, but percent of normal. The monsoon really doesn't normally stretch that far west over an extended period of time, but they've had 200 to 400% of their normal rainfall during that 2 month period. And in the traditional wetter monsoon belt, a lot of these light blues here indicate 50% or 150% of precipitation, basically 50% above normal. So it has been a very robust monsoon season, but the monsoon has been pushed back down south and east into eastern New Mexico and Texas. Strong, dry, high pressure in control. Some convective debris here could trigger an isolated storm later today. We'll have to watch that, but otherwise, the big story will be the building heat with that high pressure, that tannish shade showing the dry air mass over us. We have high risk for above normal temperatures, high Haines indices, poor humidity recoveries, and these are mainly in areas here in Idaho where we have existing large fires. They could see some significant growth. Not much on the wind front. On the left today, winds probably just slope-driven, 2 to 10 miles an hour. This is our backup humidity map, and most of these red shades you see here are anywhere from 10 to 20% humidity, so normal summertime dryness. The pattern stays unchanged pretty much on Wednesday. Our high risk for heat through here, you can see the areas in brown are starting to expand a little bit. And you can see, again, same type of humidity levels, mostly down into the 10 to 20% range. A little bit higher here, there could be some convective buildups over the high mountains of central Idaho. But another thing is these breezes through here starting to pick up. Nothing critical, but 10 to 20 miles an hour maybe during the afternoon hours. And then on Thursday, still with the heat through here, building with near record temperatures. Same story on our 7-day fire potential. Dryness through here. We do see the winds across central and eastern Idaho into western Wyoming picking up. These orange shades, 20 to 30 miles per hour. And in the vicinity of some of our large fires further north, probably 12 to 20 mile an hour winds. That could be problematic with the prolonged dryness. No significant precipitation the next 3 days, and for quite some time probably, because that high pressure ridge remains in control here on Friday. Same story, you can see more brown expanding on our 7-day map, and that trend continues. Saturday, Sunday, just a stagnant, extremely dry pattern, drying out a lot of that monsoonal moisture across Nevada and Utah that we've gotten over the past 2 months, at least on the surface. And again, fires that are already active and large in Idaho will continue to burn and probably burn more effectively. 7-day precipitation totals towards the end of the period, there could be some monsoonal moisture maybe approaching our southern areas. I wouldn't bet the bank on it. And the 8 to 14-day continues to show the same pattern, above normal temperatures everywhere, drier than normal, basically north of the I-80 corridor, where most of our concerns are. It is showing here that during the second week of September, the monsoon may start to make a comeback across our southern areas. And this concludes our briefing. Have a great day.